If you want to create an online stamp just to use it for the documents online, no physical stamp is required. So just go to this website and logo maker, and here you will find different. It is costly, but you can use it free, as I will show you. For example, here you want to use this stamp, this custom design. So you will click it here. Now you can change different. For example, here you want to change your logo. You can delete this and you can paste your logo, and here name, for example, this is your name. So you can say XYZ is your name, or your name. You have and here slogan, for example, or the organization where you are working. So here, for example, Institute of XYZ, for example. So if you will download it here, it will show you the dollars. No need to pay the dollars. Just for example, this use the sleeping tool here. You can use the sleeping tool like that, and just use this. You can use this, paste it here or save it here, and you can use it for the documentations. For example, here I want to use it any Word document. So my signature, for example, you can put it here, and just you can use it here for any purpose. Similarly, different types of logos available here. For example, this logo. So here you can change the logo design. For example, for your company, this is company name, logo design, and for example, company name is XYZ, and slogan is for example, any department of XYZ. So in this logo, you can change your logo, and if you will download, definitely it will show the cost. You will just crop it here. This is because the background is white, so it will be more clear. For example, here you will just paste. So you can change the position, for example, back, behind the text. So in this way, you can just change this and put it anywhere. This is step.